is a cultural festivity, you know.
Yeah.
So we are from we're from Nigeria, and we are from part like they said, east, west, south. We are from the east of Nigeria, and this is our kind of a tradition, our cultural thing. That is Masquerade. It's a Odogwu Masquerade. When there is something like this, a lot of people are crowded. A lot of people are going, you know, because it's something that they love following this kind of a thing, this kind of image. It's not bad that is, you know, what we're doing is not that it's bad. Everything that you see there is just a makeup thing, like I said before, it's makeup thing. But the little children that are coming up, they want to know also what our forefathers, that makes them happy. What they are going on, what that is make them happy. And this kind of a thing is what that is making them happy. When you hear that a masquerade is coming out, everybody's dressing to his or her own best to go and watch the masquerade. If the four faces is the masquerade. The four faces is, you said, you saw a guy, but it's the masquerade with the four faces. Whenever that is it's a time for us to have that cultural something back home in Nigeria, the eastern part of Nigeria, that's the Igbo. Whenever we want to do it, everybody's bringing their own best.
And I saw a guy who was walking around with a plastic bag. He had the money in it,
yeah.
And sometimes he gave it to people or he put it to some place. What is that? It's when you, because of this kind of a thing, it's something that we want to bring it to the people and for people to love it. The people who are from Nigeria, Nigeria and the eastern part of Nigeria, they know all about this. It's just like you have to kind of, from your heart, you give something to say, I love this. It's a kind of, you have to bring your own image. You know, like when they say they are doing this thing, they are doing Halloween, something like that, in America or something like that. So this is, you have to bring your own, that is the best of the best.